There's my little ninja boys. So what are we gonna go do right now?
Cut down a Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. What did we just get done doing?
Dad, hurry up!
We're getting gas, bro. Hold on. So, are you excited?
Yeah.
Just gotta fuel up and head out. Let the journey begin. Here we go. You guys ready? Let's go for a hunt.
Yep.
That's where we parked. Now it's time to go hunting. Got it.
Dad, look.
Come here, Kellen.
Dad, look.
Come here. Kellen, please. Tice, come here, please. Hey, I don't want your hand to slip when you're stabbing that and then cut you. Come here. What do you think, Tice? Is that perfectly tall?
Uh-huh.
Come here, Tice. What do you guys think? Good? Don't cut that off. Okay.